Hello, this is Mrs. Reister again, walking you through your turn number 2. Anna made withdrawals from her bank account of $60, $85, and $115. Write and evaluate an expression that represents her withdrawals as a sum of negative integers. So thinking about the term withdrawals or withdrawal, it means taking money out of an account. So it's represented with a negative integer. So let's first start with, she took $60 out, so negative 60. And because we're talking about writing a sum of negative integers, that implies I'm going to add them. So I'm going to add to that the next withdrawal, which was negative $85. And then she took one final withdrawal that was $115. Oops. So what we have here is a sum of negative integers. Negative 60 plus negative 85 plus negative 115. So now to evaluate that, I'm just simply going to add them. But I notice that if I add the second and third term, negative 85 and negative 115, I know that that makes negative 200. So I'm going to add that first because the commutative property allows me to add them in any order. And now I'm going to add to that my negative 60. So now my simplified expression here is negative 60 plus negative 200 for a final sum of negative $260. So to put this in context with this problem, Anna withdrew a total of $260.